Konnect not only highlights the power of connections, but also integrates knowledge with networking, with experiences, with content, and with engagement for all our delegates. And it is built around the key principles of whether it is inclusivity, whether it's disruption, whether it is innovation, whether it is security and human centricity.
What makes nasscom Konnect unique is the fact that we provide a holistic platform for all the GCCs, tech giants, startups, government bodies to come together, interact, engage and connect. And here, Konnect stands with a K. That is what we provide to the industry, an out loud platform for everyone to put their thoughts together.
You can think of our platform as, not only where discussion or dialogues are taking place, but also where new ideas emerges, where we are crafting the key messaging, which ultimately is leading to the future narrative, and defining the tech industry's growth globally.
Events in nasscom are beyond the conventional. They are unstructured learning platforms that bring together experts, practitioners, and thought leaders that have been thoughtfully brought together to bring the most real and relevant conversations to the audience. As a part of curating the agenda, we try to capture global trends to bring the most critical messages to the tech industry, while also showcasing India's readiness for the world by bringing us stories of products and solutions that are built here.
A lot of people ask us why your events are very, very unique. What we say that our events are not built in recently. Those are very, very old events. Or most of the events are 15 years old, and our annual flagship conference, which has the history of 32 successful editions. We work very, very closely with our councils, whether it's a executive council, whether it's a regional councils, whether as SIGs. We work with them very, very closely to create a wow factor for our conferences.
To people who connect with us as a delegates, who attend the conferences, to them we try and give a 360-degree perspective of what is happening in the industry in India and globally, and they gain a lot of knowledge from the conferences that stays with them for long and help them stay relevant to the industry. We are very proud to say that nasscom events are net zero events.
At nasscom, we believe in creating value through insights and clutter-breaking conversations.
In 2019, we amplified nasscom's narrative of Think Digital, Think India at NTLF 2019, embedding it deeply into our key events, including NTLF. With this narrative now in our DNA, we see ourselves as not just as an events team, but as amplifiers for nasscom's key messages. We tell impactful stories through interactive peer-to-peer learning experiences for all our participants.